The title of this video is the DIY Stocking Challenge. Hello everyone and welcome to Creating with Miss Kaye. Look what I made with Dollar Tree towels. Stay tuned to watch my DIY. This challenge is hosted by Domestic Diva DIY. Make sure you go by her channel and check out all her great videos, as well as all the other participants in the playlist. To make these luxurious Christmas stockings, all you need are towels from the Dollar Tree out of the automotive section and these beautiful poinsettia clips, along with a little glitter and just a tad bit of trim. I bought 5 of the towels. I traced them and then I proceeded to cut them. And here is the form. I used hot glue to seam the edges together, but as you see in this video, my glue gun decided that it no longer wanted to work for me. I had to take a little break, go to the store, and buy another one. I'm fumbling with it, trying to get it to work, but yes, this was the end of the glue gun. I was truly just having one of those days because how I completed my stocking, I used a Mod Podge glitter mixture to add to the heel and the toe of the stocking, and then I added this cute poinsettia clip from the Dollar Tree. I made my loop at the top, which is not on video either. I do apologize. And this is how I styled them. As you can see, there's the hooks that I made, and I just used it with the same towel. These were so fun and easy. If it hadn't been for my glue gun malfunctioning on me, I could have had all of these done in probably a good 15 minutes. So I would like to thank our host, Domestic Diva, for hosting. Sonia has some of the most fun challenges that I've participated in so far. Regardless of the mishaps, I truly enjoyed working on this challenge. Thanks again. I hope everyone has a great holiday. Be blessed, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.